Everyone, and welcome to the TechShare. We had some questions based upon the last tip for people looking for some more direction and for some more assistance with Google Sheets. So I'm here to provide that for you today with this tip, and it deals with resizing rows and columns. Plus, I have a really cool surprise tip for you at the end that you'll want to definitely check out. So let's pretend I have some numbers in here. And I'm just going to put them in a few times. And obviously, when I put those numbers in, I'm wasting a lot of space. So some people are like, hey, is there a way for me to reduce the size of these columns? Well, the correct answer is yes. I can do it one at a time, or I can do it in mass. So as an example, between the columns A and B, there's that little wall that's right there. And if I simply click and drag, as you can see, I can make a column longer or shorter as I drag it. Very simple to do. Now I'm going to resize that again, get it back to the way it was when we first started. But let's pretend I want to do all of these at the same time. I can do that as well. What I can do is I can click and drag over all 5 columns. And then if I use the wall, any of the walls in the selected area, and I click and drag, as you can see, it will reduce all of them at the same time. So again, just click and drag over all the columns, and then you can manipulate the size, make them shorter or as long as you need. Very simple to do. Now, consequently, you can also do the same thing going in the other direction. I'm going to just put some names in. And if I want to go with the rows and make those longer, I can again click and drag between the rows to make those longer if I need to, or shorter if I need to, just like so. If I want to do them all in mass, again, simply select all the rows that are being impacted, click and drag on any of them, and you can make them all the same size if you need to. So a very simple way to address the resizing of your columns and or your rows, whether it be one at a time or a whole group at a time. Now, the other additional tip that I want to share with you today is really kind of cool. So let me share with you that right now. I'm just going to blank out this spreadsheet. And if you haven't seen this, you'll definitely want to check this out. Google did this last week. And what I'm going to do is put a letter in each column. So P, R, I, D. And if I spell pride, I will get the colors of the rainbow in every single column. And a lot of people are really liking the message that that sends, and they're also liking the fact that it dresses up your spreadsheet. Now, some people are like, well, what happens if I want to use this? If I delete that row, you know, will I be able to keep the colors? No. The minute you take out the word pride, it goes away. So let me show you a little trick that will allow you to keep these colors in place if you want to use it. Basically, what I can do is I can come up here and I can select all of row 1. And if I do a right click, or if you're on a Mac, hold down your control key and click, you can hide that row. So row 1 will now go away, and you can see that I'm starting with row 2, and it kept all of the colors intact. If I want to get that row back, again, just right click or control click, and I can say unhide the row, and it will bring back the word pride. By the way, you can also do the same thing with the columns. If I wanted to hide these columns so that I don't have to see the letters, I can highlight those 5 columns. Again, right click or control click, and you can say that you want to hide columns A through E, and as you can see, you'll now be starting with F. If I want to see those columns again, just right click again, say unhide the columns, and they all come back again. So there's some resizing tips and tricks for you. There's also a little trick in regards to getting the rainbow background by typing in the word pride. So there you go, a lot of tips and tricks in this one little TechShare video today. So until we meet again, take care of yourselves. We'll be seeing you real soon. Bye-bye.